Hi, I'm Lenny.
And I'm Chewy, and today we're going to play the word scramble game. Grease gun.
Gun. Torque wrench.
Torque wrench. Oh, that was practice?
Again, wow, that's a hard one.
What engine part is this?
Turbo.
Tire.
What trailer part is this?
Lug nut.
Oil filter.
Yeah. Diesel fuel. Air.
Filter.
I don't have.
Exhaust. Piston. Radiator.
Good job.
Clutch.
Oilo? Let me know you need help.
Transmission. Transmission. Sounds smart.
Sounds smart. So teacher. The good thing is we got it on camera. Oh, it's another round or what?
Toolbox.
Something you were
Semi-trailer.
Air compressor.
Air compressor.
Axle.
Axle.
Semi-trailer component. Kingpin.
Pinky. Apron. Brake drum.
Brake drum. Drum brake.
Airlines.
Rear impact guard.
CCI bumper. Bumper.
ICC bump.
ICC bumper. Hey, it's half and half. Half and half. Glad hand.
DOT.
DOT.
DOT tape.
landing.
Landing gear. Suspension.
So,
Both. Die. Wheel seal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
You're right, Chewy. Go ahead.
Battery.
Yeah. I'm here to back up.
Reefer.
Reefer. Chewy.
Without filing this time.
Hi, I'm Megan from Epika. Thanks for watching our video. Stay tuned for more upcoming releases from our experts in fleet maintenance.